So have you been in a situation where you are busy printing your paperworks because you are chasing a deadline, and suddenly you noticed a problem in your desktop computer like this that says the printer ink pads are nearing the end of their service life. And you also noticed that the LED lights in your printer are blinking alternatively, where you cannot print anymore. So you might be troubled with this problem in the near future. So what's the possible solution? Worry no more, because this tutorial will help you solve that problem. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below if you have some questions. I will try to answer all your queries. So let's start. The solution for that problem is to reset your printer. Now, to reset a printer, you need a software resetter or an adjustment program. So you can download the resetter for free in the internet. So I'm using the internet to download this resetter. So I opened my Google Chrome browser. Now I'm going to search for Epson L210 resetter. Because my printer, I'm using the printer which is Epson L210. So search. Okay, so this one. Let's open this search result. Download Epson L210 printer resetter program. Okay, let's open. Scroll down, and this one, click this download Epson L210 printer resetter. Okay, so it's done downloading. Now let's open the downloaded software, which is in zip format. So before that, let's open. Then we are going to extract the file. For this tutorial, I'm going to extract it to the desktop, so I can find the document or the file easily. Extract to, then desktop. Okay, let's close this one. It's already in the desktop, this folder. So this is the folder that is in the zip file which we downloaded. Then run the program edgprogcracked.exe. Okay, double click. Now it's loading. But before we continue to the process, make sure that your printer is connected to your desktop or your laptop and it is turned on. Okay, so this resetter ranges from L110 to Epson L355. If your printer is Epson L360 to Epson L365, you can search that also in Google Chrome. So in this tutorial, I'm using the Epson L210. Then click the select button. So I'm going to choose L210. Port auto selection. Then click OK. You can also use this resetter with other printers such as Epson L110, Epson L300, Epson L350, and Epson L355. In the port, select Auto selection, then click OK button. Next is to click the particular adjustment mode. Then scroll down, then look for waste ink pad counter. Then click OK button. Next is to check the main pad counter. Then click the check button. Okay, let's try. Okay, check. Now you can see in my main pad counter, I already printed 964. So the maximum points is 6,500. But it's fine if we're going to reset it now. After that, click again the main pad counter, then click initialization. So a prompt will appear saying when the OK button is clicked, the initialization is done. Then we're going to click OK. Okay. So now it says, another prompt says, please turn off the printer. Okay. Now I'm going to turn off the printer.
A few moments later.
Okay, so now I turned off the printer. Another prompt says the waste ink pad counter has been initialized properly. Turn on the printer and click the check button to check the waste ink pad counter value. Then click OK. Now you can see that our main pad counter is set to 0 point. Now our tutorial is finished. Your Epson L210 has been resetted. You can now use it again. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thank you and God bless.